Hi, welcome to Midwest Southern Blog and this YouTube channel. Be sure to check out how I DIY'd this holiday wreath for my own front door on a budget. I'll be showing you exactly what I did by using some things I already had, as well as some things that I found outside. So go check it out and be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. We have our wreath form, some twigs from the backyard, and some faux greenery. So be sure to select what you want, what you're into, and your theme. And then you'll be able to get started. Alright, now that we have our ingredients, I'm going to take these off to the side to work with later. And I'm going to start by fluffing the wreath itself. So obviously with faux greenery, they're just on little metal wires, and you'll be able to fluff them to make them a little bit more full. So just go on ahead and fluff.